we're back. Let's make some tags, shall we? So, oh man, I'm still gluey. We worked on some pockets and tuck spots, and now we need to make some tags. I have cut, this is a piece that I had, actually that I was using as a scrap, and I cut it in tag shapes, and then some cutoffs, and some other things that we started in the last video. But I was thinking we can make kind of layered tags like this, and using some of our jelly plate papers and just some scrap pieces to make funky little tags like this. So let's dig in. And I also thought this would be fun to add as a pocket on one of the tags as well. I think I forgot to turn on one of my lights, but let's save that. Let's start busting these out. There's the cough again. I think I moved my angle, so let's just make sure. There we go. Okay. You know what? I think I'm gonna get out a glue stick for this. Make this process nice and quick. I'm gonna try and do the not overthink it thing, but it's kind of fun to do sometimes. Wow, that was loud, sorry. I'm gonna put a couple tickets. This is the Tim Holtz stamp and die cut, I think, yeah, that I made a batch a while back. There we go. Just throw a little pop of color. And then I have some scrap sari silk. There we go. Just spread it out a little bit. And I'm just going to staple it on. Well, that didn't really catch all the way. Oh, come on. What's up with the... There. Oh. I see. Okay. One more staple. There we go. And for now, are we... Nope. Need to ink it up. I probably should have inked up my music sheet, but oh well. All right, that's a fun little tag. All right, one thing I want to grab. And my dial. I'm going to pull some of these out, and I thought, oh, it's kind of fun. Thought it would be fun to punch a hole and add fabric to the top. Where's that? Oh, oh, there's one. There we go. And I thought if we stick this through here, did I do it? And then we could add fabric. Let's have the bright side showing. That's beautiful, isn't it? So pretty. And then music sheet. Link it up. And then maybe this butterfly. There we go. It's kind of fun. And I just want to add something bluish at the bottom. I'm going to take this atlas page. Little ink. Clinging on the glass. Just rub it in. Rub in that glue. Okay. I like it. That's fun. And dangly. It's a dangly bit. All right, I like this one. And my scissors. We're just gonna trim this like this. And my sewing machine is right back here. So I'm gonna zip it around the sewing machine. Of course, I have to move all my bits and pieces. All right, so I'm just gonna go zoot, 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 really quick. And then it will also have a pocket. Up, and there we go. And trim, and that's good for now. Get you back up there. All right. I still don't like that edge. Oh, maybe this one. Oh my goodness, it's sticking. I'll just cut it. kind of fun and funky. All right, we're gonna do it Fabri-Tac. There we go. There. Yeah, I like that. I like it. Little trim. And now, what are we gonna put in that pocket? Will this fit? Woohoo! It will. And then we have more of this. Ooh, no, let's do this. Oh my goodness, thread. Ah, ah. Just gonna tie it like that. I love that. Isn't that beautiful? Ooh, so pretty. All right. Let's maybe a little collage-y thing down here to kind of go with that. But where'd my ink go? There it is. Not that it really, you can tell. And some ooh, ooh. Stick this on. Trying to see which way is up and which way is down. Is this gonna stick it, or do we need, oh yeah. There we go. Need anything else? Oh man, I think I do need the Fabri-Tac. It's better to be safe. I like that there. It kind of ties it all together. Like it was meant to go together. There we go. Put it in there, it's a nice little journaling spot. Oh yeah, yipper. Cute. And you can journal on that, and journal on that. I dig it. Okay, done.